370.795. 370 feet on a 350-foot track. Woo-hoo! We're going to look at one more, ladies and gentlemen, so write that distance down. And we're going to look at one more before we decide if we're going to change the sled or not. That's one of the advantages of being test hooked. You get a track that's been prepared quite a bit. And even though we pack in, scrape and roll and pack in, the track's usually the best it's going to be at the first of the show, unless it's one of those deals where the track keeps getting better. And that don't normally happen, so that happens.